Yo, if anyone's in the stream, what's up, guys? We're about to get started. Just waiting for a couple more people, probably. Let's see if we can get some people. Oh, yo, what's up? Is that you, Elliot? What's up, bro? How's it going? Just waiting for a couple more people to get into the stream before we start. Should be a fun one. Alright, it is you. Cool. I remember, right? Just waiting for a couple more people. Yeah, today we're making a game. But we're not making the game. ChatGPT's making the game. So we'll see how it goes. Should be fun. We might get my boy Jadito Bito back on call with us. Just gonna start when we get a couple more people, probably. If not, I'll start in a couple minutes. It's all good. But yeah. While we're like here, if anyone in chat can let me know if my voice is like too loud or too quiet, that would be appreciated. I think it should be fine, but I'm not sure. And also if the music's like too loud or too quiet, also let me know. We should be getting our mod Henry Gustafson in here soon. The GOAT. Alright, in like a minute I'm just gonna get started. Who needs viewers when you got the heart and soul of the stream in you? You know what I'm saying? Then we can maybe get Jadito Vito on call with us too. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Solid. All right, let's get started. Let's do it. It's time. We're speed running, as you can see by the timer, my makeshift speedrun timer in the bottom left corner. We're speed running. What are we speed running? We're speed running making a game. The catch is that it's only ChatGPT written code. Let's see how fast ChatGPT can make a game. All we're gonna do is do exactly, like literally just be the agent, do exactly what the ChatGPT says to us. And we'll see how it does. Yep, no pressure on me. All the pressure's on chat. And yeah, that's pretty much what's gonna happen. I guess I'll start the timer in a sec. And then we'll be good to go. Why do I have to keep going back to this page to get the music to play? Is there no like autoplay or something like that? Kind of annoying. I guess not. I don't know. All right. Okay, and we have a checklist here for you know, checking off stuff while we're speedrunning. Little segments of the speedrun, if you will. And quick note, we're actually using Copilot in ChatGPT because Copilot should have like better code stuff. So hopefully that'll enhance the game quality and maybe have less bugs. I think honestly the hardest part about this speedrun is going to be the bugs, because we're not allowed to fix the bugs. Only ChatGPT has to fix its own bugs, and ChatGPT makes a lot of bugs. So I guess we'll find out what happens. Okay. Alright. Alright. Still no one pulling up, which is kind of unfortunate. But I'm sure people will make their way soon, hopefully. I don't know if this is like a bad time to stream. I'm not really sure. But yeah. Yep. It's 9/11. Wait, is it a bad time to stream because it's 9/11, or is 9/11 by itself a bad time? Seems like a bad time to stream. All right. I guess just because it's 9/11. Fair enough. Fair enough. Welcome to the stream, Henry. Appreciate you coming. Should be getting more people soon, but I guess we're just gonna get started. Would be better if it was 9:12. Okay, then you know what? We're starting the timer right at 9:12. Lil GOAT, yeah, for sure. Henry is the GOAT. Bro, Henry is putting up numbers today in basketball. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, at 9:12 we're gonna start the timer. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's no more preamble. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, you were. All right, let's do it. Oops, not FaceTime. Please not FaceTime. No. Okay, let's do it. Boom. Hooper for real. I know, he's a hooper. All right, and go. Let's go. All right. You're making a video game in 2D Unity. And all... Oh, is that Jadito Bito getting on call with me? Okay, call. Yeah. Hop in. All right, he's slowing down my time already. Yo, Jadito Bito. Yo, what's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
What's going on?
Welcome to the stream, bro. Can I make you louder? What happened to my thing?
Hang on.
Hey, what happened?
There we go.
Where's the call? Hey, by the way, Jed, I started the timer. Time loss? I know. I started the timer and then Jed immediately called.
Time loss.
No. I literally started the timer and then the moment I started the timer, you called. Okay. Chad, can you hear Jadito Vito? If not, let me know. But yeah. All right, you're making a video game. So we're starting, Jad. We gotta lock in. Oh shoot, my computer's having a seizure. Hold on. I'm gonna turn off the music. The music's making my computer have a seizure, Loki. Guys. Wait, why do I need to unmute on Discord? Why do I need to unmute on Discord? Can't you hear me through the stream? Or am I tripping? Because you hear yourself and it hurts. I don't know how that has to do with me being unmuted on Discord. Hella lag, right? Yeah. Is it still lagging?
Because if I don't...
Wait, what's up?
It's fine.
Wait, what happened? Hey, what happened? He mutes your stream and you unmute on Discord. Okay.
Are you asking me?
No, yeah, Jad, mute your stream. Like, don't, like...
I did.
Okay. So, we should all be good, but my computer's low-key crashing out. Okay, we're good. Alright, let's lock in.
Immediate time loss.
Let's do it. Hey, we're already at 3 minutes and we haven't done anything. We haven't even entered the first prompt. Alright, lock in. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Holy 3-minute time loss. I know. Alright, lock in. Alright, you're making a video game. And all I'm gonna do is follow your instructions. What game idea are you making? All right, lock in. Perfect. Let's make this simple but awesome. Here's it. Okay. Game concept: Echo Blade. Oh God, that sounds a little. Oh, what happened, Jad? You said oopsie in chat. What happened?
No. Cool. In regards to the 3-minute time loss.
Oh yeah. I know. All right, lock in. Core loop: explore short procedurally generated dungeons. Procedurally generated, bro. I'm not making no procedurally generated game. What the hell? Okay. Movement, combat. Hell no. Okay.
Okay.
Make the idea. Oh my God. My computer's crashing. All right. You know what? Screw it, guys. We don't need no checklist.
Make the game.
We don't need no checklist. Screw it. All right. Make the game idea more simple. We're trying to speedrun making a full game using only your instructions. Keep it simple. All right, lock in. ChatGPT also needs to lock in, actually. All right, Square Dash. All right, 2D endless runner dodge game. All right. Goal: survive as long as possible by dodging obstacles. All right, sounds good. You know what? That sounds doable. Does that sound doable?
Square Dash is such a ripoff.
Geometry Dash? No. It's Square Dash. I don't know what you're talking about. It's literally Geometry Dash. Okay. Lock in. Lock in. All right. So, core mechanics: player square auto moves forward. You tap to jump to dodge incoming blocks. Wait, is this not Geometry Dash or no?
Score increases over time if you hit a block. Game over. Screen goes down.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, and it's got the Unity setup. All right, chat. Can you hear me well? Can you hear Jad well? Are we good to go? Can we get started? Let's do it. All right. So step 1. create a new project, square dash, done.
Wait.
I got my new project right here. Scene, save as main scene, create folder, scripts, prefabs, yep, all good, all good. Create a main camera and a ground. A simple sprite rectangle. All right, it wants a simple sprite and a rectangle. Let's do it. A simple sprite plus rectangle. By the way, guys, Jad's gonna be on call with me, but he's also doing his his homework right now, so he has to lock in because I guess he's behind or something. Jad, you wanna explain the situation?
Dude, I have a midterm on Monday.
You
It's
have a,
it's
oh, you have a
good.
midterm on Monday? Shoot, is it cooked?
It's good.
Wait.
I have to learn like a bunch of different proofs.
Oh shoot, yeah, you are cooked.
But yeah,
All
it's
right.
no good, no good.
I made a ground, but like I don't know if it wants it to be like, you know, like infinite or whatever. I guess we'll figure it out. All right. I made a ground. Simple. Yep. Okay. Make next step is either make the player controller. No. You decide the next step. Lock in. You decide the next step. I made a rectangle sprite called, guys, I can't type, called ground. What's next? Log in. Perfect. We move fast. You've got the ground. Create the player. Step 2, create the player. And right click, create empty, rename it player. All right. Create empty. Call it player. Done. Yeah, sure. Add a sprite renderer. All right, sprite renderer. Give it a sprite renderer. Sprite. Hey, where's the sprite renderer? Sprite renderer. Done. Boom. All right. Add a rigid body 2D. Okay, rigid body 2D. Rigid body 2D. Jed, how's the studying going? What's the midterm in?
Ordinary differential equations.
Ordinary differential equations.
Mm-hmm.
That's sounds rough. Box collider 2D. Add a box collider 2D. Is it tough? Is it rough, or does it just sound rough?
It's just the proofs. That's all.
Okay.
I just need to make sure I learn those before Monday, especially because I'm gonna be busy tomorrow a bit.
Yeah, that's fair. All right, freeze the Z rotation. Done. Adjust the scaling to something like 0.5, 0.5, so smaller on the ground. All right. Scaling of what? Oh, the box collider? Shoot. Nah, I won't do that yet. All right, create a new script. In asset script, name it player controller. All right. New script. Okay, wait. So it wants us to create a folder. So create a folder called scripts. And then, oops. What did I just do? Delete this. All right, create a folder. And in this folder, we want to create a C# script. And it's going to be called player controller. All right, that's what ChatGPT wants to name it. Okay, how are we doing? 8 minutes. Haven't done much. It's okay. It's all good. All right, it wants us to copy this code. Tag your ground object as ground. Hit play and press. Okay. So copy code. Copy it into player controller. All right, so we got to open up player controller. Okay, copy this code. Boom. Copied. There you go. Save. Okay. Tag the ground. Okay. Jad, is this stream lagging at all, or are we good?
No, stream's good.
Okay, cool, perfect. Thank you. Ground and save. Wait, did it want to capital?
Alright, gotta hop off, but good luck on the speedrun, Ahmed.
Oh shoot, okay, I'll see you. Peace.
Salutations.
Peace, bro. Okay. Shoot, I don't think it's gonna work because Oh. See you, Henry. See you, bro. Thanks for stopping by. I didn't realize. I thought Jad was leaving. Thanks for stopping by, though. Appreciate it. And good luck on whatever you're doing. Also, good stuff in basketball. right, we're back, Jed. We're back. You good? You there, Jed? Jed, you there? Hello? Jed, just leave and rejoin. All right. So I don't think this ground is gonna work because it doesn't have a like box collider. So I'm gonna add a box collider for it. Okay. And if we play, what happens? All right, we don't got nothing. All right, ChatGPT made a player, but it never gave it a sprite. Oh, give it a simple square sprite. Oh, I missed that part. Give it a simple square sprite. Simple square sprite. So give it a simple square sprite, 2D object, sprite, square. And let's make it black. Okay, cool. So now it should be good. Let's move this up here. Move the player up here. So what do we got looking so far? Oh, the square fell through the ground. All right, I don't think that was supposed to be what happens, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy this stuff, copy this component, and then remove it, and then add it to here, paste component. Where's the paste option? Paste component is new. Same thing with this one. Copy component, remove component, and okay. Paste component is new. Okay, cool. I think this should be good. Remove the sprite renderer from here. Okay, so does this work now? Let's see. Nope, fell through. What happened? The ground is untagged because we forgot to do that. All right, perfect. Nope, still no. All right. Did we miss any other instructions? Body type dynamic. Do we got body type dynamic? Oh, why the box collider look like that? The heck? Oh, there we go. Edit the box collider. Like this. And then check the box collider of the ground. Looks good. All right. Do we gotta can it jump? What code do we add in here? If input key down space jump. Okay, so we should be able to jump. Why isn't it jumping? I don't know if you're still there, but I think maybe I can hear you now. I'm not sure. No? Still no? All right. What happened? You are? I literally, I can't hear you though. I know, it's cooked. I don't know what to do about the Discord, but it's all good. All right. So, why isn't it? Can't hear you either. Only through the stream. Just focus on the speedrun. Shoot. All right. Sounds good. Maybe you can like recall me if you want. Maybe you can recall me if you want, but the speedrun's already not looking good because the jumping isn't working. Hello? Hello? No? Alright, bro. Nope. Still no. Still no. Just lock in? Okay, fine. Alright. Just say anything in chat if you want to say anything. But I mean, it's not like anyone's watching anyway. The only people in chat are me and you. So now we gotta figure out why this box isn't jumping. Make sure it's not jumping real quick. Yeah, it's definitely not jumping. Oh wait, did I not save it maybe? Is that why? Nope. Alright. So ChatGPT made this code and it's not working. Hit play, press space, player should jump. Alright, player's not jumping. Why is that? Oh, wait, did we ever add the... Wait, I might be sped. I don't think we added the script to the player. Oh, that's definitely why, Loki. Did we add the script? Alright, we added the script. Perfect. Guys, this has been a minute. Don't worry about it. Slowest speedrun of the century. Don't worry about it. Welcome to the stream, Blake. But yeah. Alright. Hey, ChatGPT made a box that jumps. ChatGPT made a box that jumps. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know what you're talking about, slowest speedrun of the century. This is good. This is good. Making progress. Alright. Next step. Add auto forward movement or... No. You tell me what's next. Alright. Let's see. Welcome, Blake. How was your week, bro? We have progress. Yeah, dude, we have progress. You got ground. Next up, make the player move automatically. This makes it a runner. So open your existing player controller, replace all the code with this. All right, copy that. Okay, replace all the code with that. Okay. All good. You've got a midterm on Monday. Shoot. So does my boy Jad. Wait, what's your midterm? Yeah, Jad, we have progress. It jumps. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. It it moves and jumps. All right. I don't know if you all saw that. Differential equations. That's the midterm that Judd has too. That's the midterm that he has too. That's crazy. All right. It works, but it goes off camera. Just FYI. What's next? That's exactly what we want. The player run off means it's time to make the camera follow the player. All right, step 4, camera follows the player. So in your scripts folder, create a camera follow. All right, scripts folder. Boom, camera follow. Create C# script. Camera follow. Boom, done. All right, attach it to your main camera. All right, attach camera follow. Hello, the rainbow wheel of death is spinning. I know no theorem, so I have to memorize them all tomorrow. Damn, that's low-key cooked. Is it cooked or is it not cooked? All right, edit this, paste this code in there. Okay. In your inspector for your main camera, drag your player into the player field. Okay, drag your player into the player field. I can do that. Player into the player field. Boom, done. Now, set offset x equals 2, y equals 0. All right, bet. Offset x equals 2. Done. What's next? Hit play. All right, let's see if it works. Boom. You have so many proofs to memorize. Shoot, that's cooked. Wait, I don't know if the camera was following the player there. Was it? Wait, we need a, what's the word? We need a reference. We need a reference. Duplicate, ground, boom, here. Make it like, put it just here to see reference, and then start the player. Start the player. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I should have put the square in here actually, instead of the player. I'm gonna put the square in there. Okay, and let's see if this works. Hey, chat, did you see that? It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Jad or Blake, I'm not sure, but I think one of you guys is the only one in chat, so I love you for it. Appreciate it. It's okay. I guess Saturday night maybe is not the move. I was thinking that weekends maybe people would watch more, but I guess maybe weekends people have more to do, so I guess they're not going to watch. It's all good. I don't need viewers. Cool. What's next? Hey guys, speedrun's low-key going well. We're only at 21 minutes and we got something working. We'll add obstacles that spawn and move toward the player so that the game has an actual challenge. Alright. Yep. Yes. What's next? Lock in, lock in. I've hit my limit. Wait, what? I have a limit? Wait, why do I have a limit? Wait, what the heck? Wait, what do I have a limit for? Chad, this is bad. Why do I have a limit? How's it going? It's going. We have a use a different account. No. But the thing is in the thing is in that account, right? It's like all that progress is in that account. It's going well, Elliot. We have a box that moves and jumps, as you can see here. So it's going well. It's going well, and we're only at 22 minutes. But we just found out that my ChatGPT has a limit. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure. Is it because it's Copilot? Or it's about to take 22 days. Hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. This is a simple game anyway. It shouldn't take too long. But the only thing that will take long is the fact that my ChatGPT doesn't want to keep playing with me. So I'm gonna new chat. New chat. All right, you've hit my free plan. All right, that's fine. I can hit my free plan. I don't mind. And then here's the code. Here's the code. All right, lock in. What's next? Boom. Perfect. All right, we're back. This sounds like a Geometry Dash extra light. I know. It even called the game Square Dash. It said this game is called Square Dash, and the first thing me and Jed were like was like, "Wow, that's an interesting name for a game." Perfect. You got a basic endless runner. Perfect. All right. Create an obstacle prefab in Unity. Create a new 2D rectangle sprite like the ground but smaller. All right. Name it obstacle. Done. I already have that actually. Rename. It's gonna be called. Hey, rename. Hello. Obstacle. Done. Untag. Done. Boom. Okay. Name it obstacle. Add a box collider so it can collide with the player. All right. Add a box collider. Done. Box collider. Check. Okay. What's next? Tag it as an obstacle. Shoot. All right. I'll make a tag and tag it as an obstacle. I can do that. Add tag. New obstacle. Done. Boom. Save. All right, we're making extra light Geometry Dash. I think that's a great way to put it. All right, we got obstacle. Spawn obstacles. We'll create a simple script to spawn obstacles in front of the player at intervals. Okay. So create an empty game object called spawner and attach the script. All right. Empty game object called spawner and attach this script. Drag your player. Okay, done. Boom. Copy code. New script. Wait, spawner, add component, new script. Hey, what's it called? Obstacle spawner. Obstacle spawner. How are we doing on time? Solid. 25 minutes, not even that bad. Okay, now we gotta edit obstacle spawner. And we gotta paste this into it. Boom, done. And then we need to drag obstacle prefab into the obstacle prefab. Okay. Oh, I didn't save, I don't think. Save here, drag obstacle prefab into obstacle. Boom, done. Drag player into player. Boom, done. Alright. Detect collision. Add this to the player controller. Alright, add to player controller. Boom, done. Oh. Wait, alright, I see the problem with chat, but it's fine. If this, boom. It wants just this part. Die. Boom, don't need this. Do need die though. Alright, all set. Nice. Now, at this point, you have player running forward, player can jump, camera falls. All good except the ground isn't infinite, so it just falls off. Yep, we need an infra ground. The simplest way is to spawn ground tiles. Okay, create a ground tile prefab. Select your existing ground rectangle and make it a prefab called ground tile. Alright, make it a prefab. I can do that. Boom, ground. Done. It's a prefab. By the way, if any of you are interested in game dev, this is low-key how it works. You just drag and drop stuff in Unity, write some code into the Visual Studio Editor, and you got your game. Hopefully this speedrun is either enjoyable, entertaining, or if anything, just educational. You know, if you want to learn how to make games, this is how it's done. Well, not this. Usually you would write your own code because ChatGPT code is full with bugs, but it's all good. Okay, make sure ground spawner script. All right, so create an empty game object called ground manager. I can do that. Empty game object. Empty game object and ground manager. All right, what's next? Lock in. We're almost at the 30-minute mark. Okay, guys, is this bad? I think this might be bad. Drag your ground tile prefab into the ground prefab. Drag my ground tile prefab into the ground. Wait, what? Oh, it wants this script in ground spawner. I think it forgot to tell me to do that. It's fine. So, boom, ground manager, boom, boom, ground spawner. Done. Edit ground spawner. Chat, we're looking good. We're looking good. It's not even that bad. It's not even that cooked. Reloading assembly. All right, boom, done. Ground spawner. Now in ground spawner. What are we doing? In ground spawner, ground manager, we want to put ground in ground, and we want to put player in player. Okay, so that it knows what objects in the hierarchy we're referring to. All good. Sounds good. Okay, what's next? Ground spawner script. Yup, adjust tiling to match your ground sprite's width. What's my ground sprite's width? What's the width? 20? All right, adjust tile length to 20. Boom, done. Is that it? Now, okay, now the ground should appear infinite. Let's see if that's the case. All right, well, if you can see in the hierarchy, it was making clones. Speeding through this, yeah. We're locked in. Okay, it was making clones of the obstacle, but it was not like rendering on the screen. So we need to fix that. So wait, run it one more time just to see what was going on. So when you run it, it makes clones of the ground obstacle clone. Yep. Oh, these are the obstacles, by the way. So the obstacles are appearing, but the ground is not. Okay, so why is that? All right. Ground spawner. Wait, let me see it. Let me make sure I didn't mess anything up. Ground spawner. Yep. Tiles ahead 5, length 20, and I can't debug its code, so we're speeding through this, chat. We're speeding through this. Spawner. Okay. The ground manager. I don't know if the script is wrong, but it's not working. So ground spawner is not spawning new. No. It is. It is spawning. It is creating new instances of ground clones in hierarchy, but the sprites aren't appearing and the player still falls. All right, lock in, lock in, lock in. ChatGPT needs to really lock in for us here. All right. That usually happens when the new ground tiles aren't positioned correctly in Y or don't have a sprite render attached. All right, so let's fix. Check your ground sprite render. Does it have a sprite render? Ground sprite render? Yes. Yes, it does. Does it have a box collider? Yes, it does. Perfect. Fix the spawn position. All right, so here we go. Boom. Make sure your player stays on the ground. Ensure that your player game object Y is positioned above the ground. Okay, we can do that. Okay, so right now your spawn tile line uses new vector 3. That 0 float might not match the ground's prefab, so let's make it use the prefab's local position. All right, sounds good. So we want to edit this. I think. Wait, where was it? Spawn tile? Void spawn tile. Yeah. Okay. We want to edit this into this. Boom. All right, let's see if this works. All right, let's see if this works, chat. By the way, if anyone's in chat, like listening to the stream, how's your day going, guys? How's your day going? I'm curious. Okay. As you can see, there's still no ground. Oh, wait, was that a ground? I don't know. Ground has. What's its position at? Let's set the position. I don't know where its position is at. Square is at. All right, let's put this at 0. Ground is at 0. Let's see if that fixes anything. Might fix something. I'm not sure. You always got to work with the Z coordinate for some reason in 2D games. Wait. Let me focus to see if it when it's appearing and disappearing real fast, if it's creating a ground clone. Oh no. Ensure your player's game object Y. Yep. Make sure make sure the player's is dynamic. Yeah, it's definitely dynamic, right? Rigid body dynamic. Yep. Cool. Make sure your ground tile is tagged ground. It is, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Let's change this to like 5, and then this is like 2. See if that does anything. Totally. Chat's just gonna end up ripping another game's code off the internet. Wait, guys, I did it. Guys, I literally did it. Guys, I 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 did it. Chat's just gonna end up ripping another game's code off the internet. Totally distinct game that looks nothing like Geometry Dash. I don't even know what Geometry Dash is, to be honest with you. Okay, so I don't even know what Geometry Dash is. This is a completely unique game. This is a completely unique game. It's unique because guys, I can't jump. Guys, I can't jump. You know why I can't jump? You know why I can't jump? Because it's getting confused whether it's on the ground or not. So hold on. What we gotta do. I fixed the problem by Panav, you hating? Yeah, he is hating. Square Dash is an entirely unique and revolutionary game. Yeah. I know. And Panav, yeah, you are hating. He's a bum. Okay, I fixed the problem by decreasing the. I hope this is educational, guys. Debugging ChatGPT code. I'm sure you're gonna need to do this at some point. I fixed the problem by decreasing the what was it? What are they called? The tile length and tile ahead. Tile length and tile ahead in Ground Manager, but it's not perfect, so the player is confused on when to jump. Fix. After all, chat exists to do your work. That's facts. And obstacles might spawn at unpredictable distances to make the game feel smooth. We need to synchronize ground. I don't know if that's what I meant, bro. That's not really what I meant. Exactly. Keep tile length exactly equal to your sprite width. Okay, I can do that. Oops, I don't want to show that. Keep tile width exactly equal to my sprite length. What's my sprite length? I mean, 1. All right, sure. Tile length 1. Boom, done. And then tiles ahead. This prevents set tiles ahead so the player always sees enough ground ahead, like 7 or 8 tiles. All right, we can do that. We can do that. 8. Boom, done. All right. Spawn obstacles at predictable positions. Spawn. You want me to change void spawn obstacles to this? Cough cough IBL P sets. Wait, what's IBL? What's IBL? But yeah. You are gonna have to do this at some point. What's IBL? Spawn obstacle. Void spawn obstacle. Wait, shoot. Where's void spawn obstacle? I'm confused. That's not a function that exists here. Instead of random spawn obstacles, it fix. You know what? Sure, I guess. So it wants me to do like this, boom, and then it wants me to run. So it wants to do this, and then it wants to do 1, and then it wants to do this, and then it wants to do spawn obstacle in here. All right, I think this is what it wants to do. I'm not sure. But let's see. It was our math class, but he got multiple plagiarism claims against him. Facts. Wait, I don't know who you're talking about, who's buddy, but yeah, this is a. Wait. Hey, why did I die? Because I hit an obstacle? Is that why? Why'd the obstacle like come to kill me? Spawn 3 tiles ahead of the player aligned to a tile. What? Wait, you know what the difference between you know what the real difference between this and ChatGPT and Geometry Dash is? That the obstacles ChatGPT is making them random. These are random obstacles, like they're just spawning in at random times, and that's like not what Geometry Dash is at all. I think it's a completely unique game. Give me the full new spawn object script. Okay. This is the full one. This is the full one. Bro, what? Sure, bro. I don't know. Boom, boom. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. Got this copied code. Set it up. Create an empty called spawner. Yep, we already have that. Attach the script. Drag your player into the player field. Do we have that? Do we have player in the player field? Yes, we do. Okay. Done. Drag your ground. Done. Drag your obstacle. Wait, there is no obstacle. It's confused. Wait, no, I'm looking at the wrong one. Wait, there's a problem with the code? What's the problem with the code? No, there's no problem with the code. Wait, why can't it be loaded? I'm confused. What's wrong with this code? Huh? Oh. It should be called obstacle spawner. That's what's wrong with the code. Hey, crazy catch by me, by the way. Crazy catch by me. Okay, lock in. What are we looking at? 39 minutes almost? Okay. That's fine. That's totally fine. Okay. Boom, done. Obstacle. Adjust tiling to match the exact width. Adjust obstacle tile offset and obstacle wide to place obstacles comfortably. Okay. Alright. So you're telling me this should work. Alright, you're telling me this should work. Let's do like 6. You're telling me this should work. Sirens go crazy, adds ambient. Dude, I know. I live in the hood, bro. Jump. Damn, I died because I hit the thing, but like the obstacle is low-key like hella big, so we need to like decrease the size of the obstacle by a crap ton. So like this, something like this, and then let's make the obstacle red so we know what's going on. All right, I should have done that a while ago. Okay, cool. No, the sirens are out to get me because oh, why, bro? Why? guys, it's trying to kill me. Why is it spawning all the obstacles like in a row? What? With this code, you're spawning all the obstacles next to each other, making it impossible to avoid. Fix. Bro got ups, I know. Here's a fixed clean version. Shoot, it better be a fixed clean version, bro. I don't think it should be this hard for you to create obstacles. Better give me a fixed clean version. Jad, remember how we were talking about this stream being like 2 parts? I think absolutely not. I don't know what it is, but no one's obstacles. that's actually kind of tough. That's actually kind of tough. Okay, we got a new obstacle spawner script. Hopefully that's gonna work. If not, I think we're low key in the trenches. All right, let's see what the new obstacle spawner script does. All right, what do we got? Where are our obstacles? Hey, it removed the obstacles. There's literally no more obstacles. Okay, yeah, this is what I meant. This is what I meant. The hardest part. Oh, maybe I did something wrong. Obstacles no longer spawn every tile. This is the hardest part about the thing. It's debugging ChatGPT's code. Oh, it's because of this. It's because of this. It changed the name again. It's confused. 4-part stream? Hell no. I don't think we should. I don't think this should be an any part stream, bro. To be honest with you. I don't think this should be an any part stream. This is gonna work. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, chat. Is this working? Wait, why aren't I dying whenever I obstacle? Hey, why? Yeah, I'm not dying because okay. This works, but hitting the obstacles doesn't do anything. Wait, it kind of works. This is no. Select your obstacle prefab and at the top set tag obstacle. All right, obstacle prefab at the top. Tag obstacle. Oh, you right. I never did that. That's my fault. That's my fault. That was a user error. That was a user error. That's my fault. My fault, gang. My fault, gang. So if I hit the thing, I die. Right? Yep. Wait, that worked. Wait, chat. Wait, so if I avoid it, boom. Boom. And then if I hit the next one, boom. I'm dead. Perfect. Wait, this works, chat. This works. Okay. All right. I just made the obstacle tag and that solved it. Everything looks good. What's next? Wait, it's cooking. Bro, this square dash game is gonna be a hit. Perfect. You now have a fully functional endless runner score. Well, I don't know about fully functional, but sure, whatever you want, bro. Whatever you want. Player runs forward automatically. Yep. The next steps to make this feel like a real game are optional, but will really. Wait, shoot. It's telling me that the game is done. Count distance traveled. All right. No. You tell me what's next. It's your game. Wait, ChatGPT is low-key cooking. Perfect. Let's take it from a. Okay. So what do I do? Bro, it's hedging me. All right, here's the next count. You add a scoring system in Unity. Go to Game Object UI Text. All right, Game Object UI Text Legacy or UI Text Mesh Pro. Okay, I need to do Text Mesh Pros because that's what I have. Unity. So boom. UI Text Mesh Pro. Done. Created a canvas. Perfect. Position it in the top left corner of the screen. All right, I can do that. Position it in the top left corner of the screen. Boom, text right here. Hello. Help. Text. Where's the text? Right here. Boom. Position it in the top left of the screen, like so. Not like that. Don't do that. Like so. Boom. Boom. Not like that either. Like this. Boom. Done. Okay, it's in the top left of the screen. Now what are we doing? Position it, name it score text. Okay. Name it score, import TMP, yes please. Okay, name it score text. Bro, no, I'm good, bro. It's all good. Alright, you know what? Score text. Boom, done. Okay, what's next? Create a new script called score manager and attach this. Alright, I can do that. Create empty score manager. Wait, this is low-key going. Alright, score manager. Done. And attach it to an empty game object called game manager. Oh, wait, what? Shoot. This is called game manager. And then it wants a script called score manager. Alright, just like that. This is what ChatGPT wants. So now we gotta edit score manager. Put this code in. Looking good, 46 minutes. It's not even that bad. 46 minutes, done, boom. Okay, score manager. Drag your player into the player field and the score text on the score text field. Okay, we can do that. So score manager, boom, player. Boom, score text. Score text? Why can't I drop the score text in there? Score text. Bro, what? Why can't I drop score text in there? Oh, wait. Is it because public text, score text, or it's because I need to make it text mesh. Okay, text mesh pro UGUI. Like this? Wait, did I do that wrong? Wait, okay, we'll fix that in a sec. Add restart on death. Okay, so what we gotta do is tell it fix score manager script for text mesh pro object, and then while it's doing that, we can add this to the player controller. So void die is scene manager load scene. Okay, so boom, player controller. When it dies, you can later. So boom, done. All right, perfect. And then this is the lock in computer. We're almost there. Okay, like this. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Wait, I swear that's what I did last time. What? Am I tripping? Okay. So now here we have score text here. Lock in. We're almost there. If I had hype music playing, hey, by the way, if I had hype music playing, this would be so tough. But I literally can't play music. My computer's already crashing out. Like my 2019 Mac Intel Core is completely cooked right now. I'm pushing it to its absolute limit. Okay, let's see what this does. All right, lock in. Wait. I died. It didn't load scene though. It did not load scene though. Wait. Okay. It's not even that bad. It didn't load the scene. I think I know why. Player controller, scene manager.load scene, scene manager.get active scene. Okay. That's fine. Because it doesn't know what the scene is, so we need to go into build settings. I think ChatGPT probably just assumed we had this, so I think we need to go into build settings. And then we need to like tell it what the scenes are. So yeah. So oh wait, no. Let's do load scene 0. Boom. Okay. Should be good. This is scene 0, so it should load it. We got a score. One day you will have a 50-70 with I-11. Bro, I wish. Okay, wait, let's see if this works. No, but like, I actually wish I had a nice computer. That would make streaming so much more fun. I can't jump anymore, by the way. Wait, why can't I jump? Was it because my mouse wasn't over the thing? I think that's probably why. No, my computer is holding me back, low-key. Jump. Boom. Score. Jump. Boom. It's going, it's going. Die. It's not resetting, though. It's not resetting. That means that means this is what that means. That means die on collision, game object compare obstacle. So this is obstacle, yes, I think so, yeah. So why isn't it resetting? Oh, I know why. I know why. It's because I never. Oh, I did import scene management. I did. Score stopped though, which is good. Yeah, the score did stop, but the only thing is, it's not reloading. It's not reloading the scene. So we got to reload the scene somehow to make them able to play the game over and over again. Wait, I think I just need to go file, build settings, and then add open scenes, and then is that it? Did I do it? Was that all I needed to do? I'm not really sure. Let's see. I kind of forgot how Unity handles their scene stuff. Wasn't not working. Let's see. Build settings. I mean, yeah, I guess it should work. The scene is not reloading on death. Fix. Alright, ChatGPT's got to fix its code. I see the problem. You're checking obstacle inside. Okay. Alright. Boom. Key change. Alright. Can ChatGPT debug successfully? I hope so. Because I'm not reading its code. Okay, lock in. Boom. 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 And boom. Oh my god. I don't think anyone's in chat to see it. But we did it. Wait. Stop the timer. Boom. 52 minutes, 50 seconds. Yes. My roommate is vacuuming, but we did it. 52 minutes, 50 seconds. And we made a game using ChatGPT. And keep in mind, most of those minutes, or a lot of those minutes, were not even working on the game. Fully functional and original game. Yep. Fully functional and original. So I stopped the timer not because we're done, but because wait, tell me this is not this is a fully functional and original game. Like Geometry Dash is not like this. Geometry Dash like has pre-made levels and everything. This is completely random. This is random. Boom, scored, reset. This is perfect. This is amazing. Okay. All right. Amazing. Fully functional and original game. Perfect. Okay. We did it. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say we don't want a part 2 of this video of this stream. But I guess you guys can let me know. But yeah, we have a game that works. We have a game that works. What y'all know about Square Dash? Yeah, this is Square Dash. Hey, I'm uploading this to itch. Play Square Dash. You gotta play Square Dash. That's where it's at. This looks like a cool math game. No, this isn't a cool math game. This is a cool Square Dash game made fully by ChatGPT. I think it's low-key tough. Beautiful. Hey, this is amazing. Unfortunately, like, usually there's like something that you'd be playing in grade 6 on a Chromebook. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. I miss those days. It's kind of sad though. Like, usually in the streams we have like a good like 10 people at the same time like watching the stream, but today literally no one pulled up except my goats Henry, Ty, Elliot, and Panav. Shout out to you guys. Did anyone else pull up that I'm missing? No, even my mod didn't pull up. Gustafson and Armando didn't pull up either. It's kind of sad, but it's not sad because we did it. We made the game in 52 minutes and 50 seconds and 13 milliseconds. All right. Okay. It's all good. I don't know if we want to do a part 2 like we were planning. you know, to make the game actually good. Actually, maybe we want to. Maybe we want to make the game like actually fun and make the game good. Hopefully, ChatGPT can do that because I think this was the easy part. You're gay. Yeah, bro. We know. We know. I think the fun part though is gonna like do like making the game fun and making the game like enjoyable. I think that's what ChatGPT can do. I mean that's what we can test ChatGPT. Not me. I'm actually homophobic. Yeah, right, bro. Sure. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. All right. Well, thank you to all of you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Um, but yeah, I guess that's it. I guess we'll pick up tomorrow at 9 p.m. You know, I normally would say subscribe, tell your friends about the stream, tell about the schedule, but no one pulled up today, so it's all good. If you guys are watching the VOD for some reason, which would be very strange, hello to you all. Appreciate you watching. But yeah, it's been fun. See you guys. See you guys. Thanks for popping in.